How to download and install Facebook Lite. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Facebook Lite app on your device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this amazing Lite version of the Facebook app. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on Search at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Search bar. Search for Facebook Lite as shown on the screen. Select the first search result for Facebook Lite. Tap on the Install button. The Facebook Lite app will begin downloading and installing on your device. The file size is small, so it will be downloaded within seconds. Once the installation is completed, you can start using the Facebook Lite app on your device. Simply tap Open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use Facebook Lite. And boom, you have successfully learned how to download and install Facebook Lite on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.